Hello people, welcome back to my channel and let's learn how to install Kafka CLI tool. So there will be a Kafka server. Basically it can be on your local machine or anywhere in the cloud, and you need to interact with this Kafka server, so you need to install a CLI tool. CLI tool is a command line interface tool which can be used to interact with the Kafka server. So the usage of Kafka CLI tool can be for creating the topic, for viewing the topic details, for viewing all the consumers, for viewing the consumer logs. You can also get and reset the offset information of the consumer, start and stop Kafka server. There are other use cases of this CLI tool, but the CLI tool is most commonly being used for these purposes. Like you can create a topic, you can view the topic details and then list the consumers, what is the consumer lag and all those things. So let's see how we can install this Kafka CLI tool. I have already written this blog post, that is install Kafka CLI tool, and here I have already given whole description. Let's go through it. So first thing is what you need to download the Kafka CLI binary which is available on this website. So let's go to this website here, and this is kafka.apache.org/downloads. So here you can see the versions that has already been released, and it is saying 3.7.0 is the latest release and this is the current stable version. So we'll pick this up. It may happen that when you are viewing this video there are other releases also that went into live, but you can download any one, whatever you want. You can go through the latest one. So what we need here is we will go through this Scala 2.13 version, and this is a binary download. So if you click here, so you can see at the bottom here that the link is present. So if you see at the bottom there will be a link. Now right click here and just say copy link address, and then what we are going to do, we are going to go to our terminal here. So you will have terminal if you are using a Linux machine. So I am inside this Kafka folder. So what I'm going to do is I'll just do wget and then paste the link and hit enter. So what this is going to do is it will go to this link and it will try to download the tar file. If I do ls, you can see that the file is present here. Now let's try to untar this, or let's try to get the content which is present inside it. So we'll say xvzf. So x means untar, v means verbose, and basically z and f are other parameters which are being passed. So I'll just say Kafka 2.13, which is the tar file, this one tar.dz, and I'll hit enter. So what this is doing, this is uncompressing it, and if I do ls again, you can see I'll clear the screen. So I'm going to clear it. If I do ls again, you can see that a folder is created here. So if I do cd Kafka this time, you can see I'm inside this folder, and here you will see that bin folder is present. Let's go inside the bin, and if I do ls, or let's do ll, these are the different bash files or binaries which can be used as a Kafka CLI tool. So if you can see here, you will see Kafka console consumer.sh, Kafka console producer.sh. So this can be used as a producer and a consumer. Then this is Kafka consumer groups.sh, which can be used to interact with the groups. We'll see in later videos like how to find the Kafka lag. Like there's a consumer and you want to find what is the current lag, then you will be using this Kafka console producer.sh. You'll also see Kafka topics.sh, basically to create a new topic, to delete a topic, to assign partitions and other thing. Let's use one of the command. I'll use /Kafka topic and then this help. So this will do what? It will give me the usage information, like what is the different parameter that you can use with this CLI tool, that is Kafka topic. So currently it is saying command must include exactly one action, that is list describe. If I see list, so what does the list do? List will basically help you to list all the available topics. So let's use this one. So I'll say clear and then /Kafka topics. We need to provide the bootstrap server. This is one of the bootstrap server which is present on my local machine, and I'm using the IP address and the port. I have already written a blog post here. I'll put that in the description below, like how to install Kafka and Kafka manager using Docker Compose, so you can have your own local Kafka server running on your machine. So now if I go to my terminal and if I do this one /Kafka topics.sh bootstrap server, then the actual IP address and the port and list. If I do list, it will say what are the different topics present here. So you can see a registered user topic is present here, underscore consumer offsets, like which is an internal topic for Kafka Zookeeper, that is there, and then underscore confluent support dot metrics. So this is another topic. So these are the different topics. So if I do ll, it will show you like the different CLI tools which is available with the Kafka. You can use all this to basically connect to Kafka server and get the information. So this is all about how to install Kafka CLI tools. Hope you like this video. Hope you like my channel. Please share my videos and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.